Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is my video about the makeup brushes. You see all the makeup brushes. Today I'm only talking about the 5 makeup brushes that you need for your daily makeup routine. I know most of the girls are doing makeup with your hands, which is now not good. Like hands are not giving you a smooth finish. Today I will show you one side I will use my makeup with my hands and the other side I will use my makeup with the brushes. As a beginner, you can only need to buy 5 makeup brushes. I will tell you 5 important makeup brushes and you will find the best result with the help of that 5 makeup brushes. Let's get started now. The first brush I will suggest you the concealer brush. This is very important brush. Mostly you are applying the concealer with your hand and it will spread all over and you will find the crease at the end. I will show you how this brush will help you. Here I am using this Maybelline concealer. I am applying all over my one side. I am going to apply like you are. One side I am going to apply with the brush. Always apply on your lid also. How you are doing, you are applying the concealer and thus you're rubbing like this, up and down like this. And you can see the result is applied unevenly. Somewhere is concealer and somewhere there is nothing. So now I'm going to show you how you can apply with the brush. First take some hydrating spray and hydrate your brush and apply the concealer with the brush, just with your soft hand. This side I apply with my hand and this side I apply with my brush. It's so nice and smooth, and this is looking so uneven and this is looking so even. And the second brush I will suggest you for the eyebrows. Please don't ignore your eyebrows when you are doing your makeup. I'm taking this small eyebrow palette. Just follow your eyebrow line. Make sure when you will shape your eyebrow, after that you can blend it, so you cannot see any harsh line. You can see the result. Here I make the eyebrow and here I didn't make the eyebrow. So it's worth making the eyebrow while you are doing your makeup. And third brush I will suggest you for the foundation. Mostly you are applying your foundation with your hand and you will not see a good result. You can see uneven patches on your face. So like this kind of foundation brush is awesome. If you have acne scars, so it can go easily inside your acne scars also and you will see the smooth finish. So one side I will apply the foundation with my hand and one side I will apply the foundation with this brush. You are taking the foundation and just applying like a cream, and you can also apply here, and you see you all hide your eyebrows also, so you cannot see the proper shape of your eyebrows and all over your foundation is uneven. So here I will show you how you can apply the foundation with the brush. First I'm going to hydrate my brush and now I'm taking the same. Take the foundation in your brush and blend in your hand. You can apply. Start from here. This is also called no makeup look. You see all the foundation is going into my scars, and this brush can easily blend the foundation inside your skin. Now you see, look how my skin is looking now even, and there are no patches, no nothing, and skin is looking so nice and even. And for this part you see all over, you can see hair foundation and all over my foundation. When you're applying, you're only applying here, you're forgetting here. And with the brush always start from here to here, so you cannot see so much patches close to your nose. And the fourth and very important brush I'm going to suggest you is a eyeshadow blending brush. Please invest on eyeshadow brush also. Only if you will buy as a beginner, you can buy one brush, make your basic eye look at least. Mostly all the palette, the brush is coming like that. So you are applying your eyeshadow with this brush and you cannot see any good result. One side I will apply how you're applying with this brush, and one side I will show you how you can apply with your blending brush. With this brush, what you are doing, you are dipping in your eyeshadow and you are applying like this. And what is the close result? Somewhere is eyeshadow and somewhere there is nothing. I am taking the same palette same eyeshadow, dust off. You just try to write O on your eyelid, so you will see the blended effect on your eyelid. Now you will see the visible result with like your technique and with the blend. It's looking so nice and blended. And fifth and last brush, I will suggest you fan brush like this for the highlighter. Blush, okay, blush you can use with your finger, like liquid blush easily you can use with your finger, but for the highlighter, if you'll buy the fan brush, you will see the visible result. I will show you how. Taking the highlighter, and highlighter, how you are applying like this. Even you don't know which part needs to be highlighted, so you can apply all over here. So now I will show you how you can apply the highlighter properly with the brush. Take the brush and dip it in the highlighter, just this much. Highlighter part is this one. If you have pores, don't apply the highlighter this part, so your pores will more visible with this. Nicely apply like this, so you can see the result also. You see, like this, if you will apply, you will see the result. And your way you can apply everywhere, so you cannot see the result, and this way you can see the visible result. You can see the visible result from both sides. One side like you are doing with your hand and look, see the eyebrows, and the other side like how I did it with the brushes. And I hope now you understand the importance of brushes in your life, in your makeup routine. So I suggest you to go and grab these 5 brushes. No need to buy a higher brand. You can go and buy some budget friendly brushes. Wet n Wild brand is good to buy the brushes that is budget friendly, and that brushes are also very good. So go and buy the brushes, and you can see the visible result in your makeup routine. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.